Updating a billing address on Dividend Finance is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Dividend Finance website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, find the Account Settings or Profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Billing Information. In the Account Settings, look for an option labeled Billing Information or Payment Methods. Click on this to access your current billing details. Step 4. Update your address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure they are applied to your account. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing address up to date with Dividend Finance. Regularly checking your information helps avoid any issues with payments or communications.